Hello, everyone, and welcome to Utopia Universe, and today, we have an exciting topic for you. The journey to fluency in English, from beginner to expert. Whether you're just starting your English learning journey or looking to take your skills to the next level, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our language learning tips and tutorials. English is one of the most widely spoken languages globally, and being fluent in it can open up countless opportunities. We're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to become a fluent English speaker, covering everything from building a strong foundation to cultural understanding. Let's go for find out how building a strong foundation. So, start with the basics. Building a strong foundation is essential. First, familiarize yourself with the English alphabet and basic grammar rules. To do this, I recommend checking out resources like free YouTube tutorials. Additionally, practice common vocabulary daily. Start with everyday words and gradually move to more complex ones. Flashcards can be a fantastic tool for this. So let's move to segment 2, developing listening skills. Listening is key to becoming a fluent speaker. Start by watching English language movies, TV shows, and listening to podcasts. Don't just passively listen, actively engage. Take notes on new words and phrases, and repeat them aloud to improve your pronunciation. You can find English content on platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and popular podcast apps. Our third segment is expanding vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is vital. Create word lists and use flashcards to memorize new words. Make reading a habit. Begin with easy texts and gradually progress to more challenging material. You can find beginner-friendly books and articles online. Use language learning apps and websites like Memrise or AI tools to enhance your vocabulary. Next, let's see about practicing speaking. Many beginners fear speaking, but practice is essential. Find native speakers or language exchange partners to converse with regularly. Work on your pronunciation with tongue twisters and repetition exercises. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. More AI tools can help you connect with language exchange partners. Next, the important segment for formal manner. Grammar and writing. Grammar is the backbone of fluency. Invest in a good grammar book, use online grammar checking tools, and explore grammar tutorials on YouTube. Writing exercises are crucial. Start with adjourning or short essays to practice grammar and sentence structure. Online resources like Grammarly and Quillbot can assist with grammar and writing. Next, move to segment of setting goals and staying motivated. Setting goals is key to progress. Define achievable language learning milestones and create a study schedule to stay on track. Keep a language journal to track your progress and reward yourself for hitting milestones. Stay motivated by immersing yourself in English language media, setting realistic goals, and surrounding yourself with supportive friends and communities. Next segment is immersion and cultural understanding. Understanding the culture behind the language is vital for effective communication. Immerse yourself in English-speaking cultures. If possible, travel to English-speaking countries, attend cultural events, or engage with English-speaking communities online. Learn idioms, cultural references, and social norms to truly connect with native speakers. So, finally, congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps to becoming a fluent English speaker. Remember that learning a language is a journey, and consistency is key. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay connected with us on social media for more language learning tips and resources. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep striving for fluency. Subscribe to Utopia Universe for more language learning content, and remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you on your journey to English fluency. See you next time.